Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Kristyn look from Barbie and the Pink Shoes in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, start from the hair. You're going to select this hair and color it with this color and make it no bangs and combine it with this one and also this one, and then you're going to make them have the same color. Okay, and for the top guys, you can choose this dress and then you're going to choose the toggle 3. Okay, and for the color you can follow this one. Okay, you can color it like this. Right, basically you can combine this color and also this pink color on this one. Okay, this is the color code for the pink color, and for the this color, this green color. Okay, and then you're going to select this top and then you're going to color it with this color like this, and then you can choose this dress from the VIP room, color it with the same color for the same green color for the first selection, and for the third selection you're going to make it this pink. Okay, and then you're going to add this skirt again from the VIP room, color it with this color, and don't forget to change all the material to glitter. Okay, and this dress, make it this color. Okay, and then you're going to choose the skirt, select the toggle 3, and this is for the from the VIP room guys, and you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then you can put on this item, but you can choose the only chains and put on this necklace, make it this color for the first selection and combine it with this pink color. And then you're going to choose this Mara heels from the Madoka set and color it with this pink color and also this white color. And then put on this item, this is from the VIP room, and color it with this color. Okay, and you will get this look in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Kristyn from Barbie and the Pink Shoes in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.